As I told you, students, iterative statement is a statement which keep repeating as long as the given condition is true. जब तक कि हमारी जो कंडीशन है हमने दी है वो ट्रू है, तब तक ये हमारी स्टेटमेंट रिपीट हो रही है. सो दिस इज नोन एज आइटरेटिव स्टेटमेंट और रिपीटेटिव स्टेटमेंट, जिस बार बार रिपीट होती है. एंड दिस स्टेटमेंट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज लूपिंग स्टेटमेंट. इस स्टेटमेंट को हम लूप स्टेटमेंट के नाम से भी जानते हैं. एन आइटरेटिव स्टेटमेंट is based on three values: a start value, that is 0, a test condition, that is c is greater than and equal than, a step value, increment और decrement. मीन्स जो हमारी वैल्यू है वो इंक्रीमेंट भी हो सकती है और डिक्रीमेंट भी हो सकती है. पाइथन में there are two types of iterative values, that is for and while. The for loop is used when we use sure about how many times a loop body will be executed. Is also known as definite loop. In Python, the working of for loop is based on the various operators and function. So simple बेटा. For loop is used when we sure that कि हमारी जो loop है, हमारा जो statement है वो कितनी बार repeat होना है, कितनी बार execute करना है. So this is known as for loop, and this statement is also known as डेफिनेट लूप, क्योंकि हमें पता है कि हमारा जो स्टेटमेंट है वो कितनी बार एग्जीक्यूट करेगा. इन अनदर हैंड you can see here is example for variable in range: initial value, final value, step value. Loop control: x is equal to 10, x is equal to 20, and default value. Loop body statement to be executed. Before we proceed further, let us first understand the concept of membership operator. Here we should know first of all what is membership operator. As you can see beta, membership operator plays an important role in controlling the working of a loop. जो हमारा लूप है, जो लूप की वर्किंग को कंट्रोल करने का जो वर्क करता है, दैट इज डन बाय membership operators. There are two types of membership operators: in and not in. So here, as I told you, iterative statement, a statement which keep repeating till the statement and the condition will be true. So this is known as iterative statement, or we can say the repetitive statement, and this is also known as looping statement. Okay, and there are two types of iterative statements: for and while. For statement which is used when the condition is given लूप इज काउंटिंग नंबर्स, मीन्स हमें पता है कि हमारा जो लूप स्टेटमेंट है वो कितनी बार में हमारे प्रोग्राम को एक्सिक्यूट करेगा. सो दैट इज नोन एज लूप स्टेटमेंट. दैट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज डेफिनेट स्टेटमेंट. वेयर एज मेंबरशिप ऑपरेटर, इट इज यूज्ड to control the working of a loop. This was the introduction of iterative statement, and the next turn we will discuss how to work with these statements. Till then, have a nice day.